Welcome to Mast Meloni!
Five little pumpkins sat on a gate, talking together, it was getting late. The first one whispered, "The moon is bright." The second one shouted, "It's Halloween night." The third one giggled, "I hear a cat's meow." The fourth one answered, "The witches are out now." The fifth one laughed, "Let's dance and play, for Halloween only comes one day." Then woo went the wind and swish went the leaves. The pumpkins rolled round in the autumn breeze. They rolled to the houses, they rolled to the street. They rolled to the children who said trick or treat. They rolled to the lanterns that glowed with the flame. Each pumpkin was happy to join in the game. One sang a song, "Spooky, spooky night." One clapped along in the pale moonlight. One told a joke, "Why's the ghost so pale?" Because he saw candy and dropped his pail. The children all laughed, their costumes so bright. Pirates and princesses filled with delight. Monsters and fairies, a wizard or two, all shouted together, "Boo to you." The pumpkins kept rolling, they never felt tired. Their Halloween spirit was greatly admired. They rolled to the park where the owls all hoot. They rolled to the trees with their golden fruit. At last they returned to the old wooden gate, where five little pumpkins decided to wait. They smiled at the stars, they smiled at the sky, and whispered together, "Halloween goodbye."
Thanks for watching Mast Meloni! Don't forget to subscribe and watch more fun videos!